Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to start chapter 11, and it's all about measurement. And we can measure things in lots of different ways, and we're going to learn about those. We can measure how long something is, how tall something is. We can measure how heavy something is or how far away it is. So to help you get started with measurement, the first thing I want you to do on this page is click and watch this BrainPop video about non-standard measurement. When you're done watching that, you're going to come back in here and you can click Lesson 11, compare lengths. So when we're talking about lengths, that's how long something is. So you can talk about how long my remote control is. It's not very long, right? It's kind of short, might be the word that we would use to describe it. And if I compare it to my coaster I have here, my remote is longer than my coaster. My coaster is shorter than my remote. So you're going to look at those two different things. Once you've done with that, we're going to go into math centers.